Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. I decided that I would show you guys how I sort of make my hair bigger and fluffier. Basically faking the funk because my ass is bald headed. If you have curly hair, for the most part, you can sort of fake volume. Washed my hair last night. I sleep in this gorgeous scarf. As you can see, my husband has so much to look forward to when we go to bed. I always sleep with a scarf on. I used to use those big bonnets, silk bonnets, when I would go to bed when I had actual, had a lot of hair. Now that my hair is a lot shorter, I just use this scarf. You guys like my process in regards to getting my hair to look fuller, because I'm gonna tell you, when my hair is wet, I literally look like I have 4 strands of hair. I do have a video on what I do to wash my hair, the process on that. So I will link that up in the eye for you guys. If you guys wanted to check that out, I'll link it up there. We're gonna go ahead and get started. So you can see how flat and really how bald-headed and horrible this sort of looks when I first take it off. It takes a little bit of work the first day or so after I wash my hair. After that, it's big and fluffy, so it really doesn't take much work. I'll just take the scarf off, give it a little fluff, and then I'm out the door. But the first few days, girl, it takes a little bit of some manipulating to get her to look like I'm not bald. Okay, here's the scarf that I use. Let me see if I can get it untied. So you can see how big this scarf is. I basically fold it in half. And so I have a ton of space to work with. I love these scarves. I got one for myself and for my daughter, and we use them all the time. So this is what my hair looks like when I first take off my scarf. Literally just washed my hair last night, and we are gonna get started on her because she is so... First thing that I do is I get this ion silk drops, just a little bit, and it goes a long way. I'm gonna go ahead and put just probably like, I don't know, like a dime size. You can see that in my hands. I'm gonna rub it all the way through. I want my hands to be really saturated. Now I'm using an oil to start fluffing and messing with my hair because I don't want it to get frizzy. I just want to be able to sort of break this up and it not to be a big frizzy ass mess. So what I'm gonna do is start sort of running that through my hair. This also helps with shine as well. It's clean, so I don't really have to worry too much about shine right now. But day 3, 4, it starts to look a little drab, and this really helps to bring back the shine. You can see I'm sort of scrunching. I'm not going to be running my fingers through because that is death to curls. If I do run my fingers through, it'll be sort of at the root just to give a little lift, which lift is good. Once that's in my hair, I have just a little bit left. I'm gonna go ahead and just sort of drag that on the sides. So now that my sides are sort of growing out, when I first take off my scarf, you can see that it sort of lays flat. That side is fine. I sort of like the way that looks, but this side, she needs a little work. She always needs a little work. So I am gonna add a little bit of water to that side. Get out of that plant. So I am gonna add a little bit of water to this side just to help her out. And I'm gonna add a little bit of water to the back because that part there is so short. And it gets frizzy because it's not covered really with the scarf. I sleep a little wild sometimes and that scarf slips up. Spray bottle with water in it. And just a little tiny bit of water to the back. I know I've mentioned before that my hair literally takes 2,000 years to dry. I am not lying. With as much hair as I have or don't have, it should not take that long for my goddamn hair to dry, but it does. It takes forever. So I don't want to get my entire head wet because then I'll be looking like a drowned rat all day. God, I can't stand you. This little dude. Look at the camera in here messing around. I'm about to lock him out. If you guys want a full video on meeting my cats, then let me know because these are the little hellions that are always disrupting everything. This is Lucian. He hates it. All right, I know, get out. Damn cat. So yeah, I try not to get my entire head wet because it takes forever to dry. I look like a damn drowned rat all day long and I'm not trying to do all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little bit of water up here in the front just to sort of help those curls, I don't know, fluff back up just a little bit. She needed a little help. So the next thing that I do is just grab a pick and I'm gonna go ahead and just lift at the roots just to give my hair a little more body. I'm not dragging this all the way through because I don't want to comb out my curls. I just want to get a little bit of lift at the root. And you can see like how much lift I get just with that. But I know my hair, because it's freshly cleaned, it's not gonna stay like that. It's gonna shrink back down. To help with more lift and more volume, I'm gonna go in with the Volume Reboost Spray by Ion. This stuff's like $3 or $4 and I love it. It gives my roots some lift and gives me some volume. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of that at the root. And I really like this too because it doesn't leave like any residue in my hair. A lot of these, you know, root sprays leave like a white cast, especially because I have like bright blue hair. I can't fuck with those. Like they tear my color up. It looks so bad. I got this at Sally's. If I can find it on Amazon, I will link it in the description box below. I go ahead and put that in my hair. I just give myself a little more fluff with my hand and then go back in again with the pick and just play with it a little more. Like I said, trying not to disturb the curls too much, but just giving myself a little bit of lift. So you can see, even with those few things right there, how much more volumized my hair looks. I don't look so bald-headed. Definitely will get a little bit bigger over the next few days, which, you know, I love. The bigger, the better. I love big, bushy hair. Yeah, that is about it. That's all I use. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys have any really good products that you like to use to give you more volume in your hair, make sure to comment below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. Make sure to head over to my Instagram at MakeupMenaree for a lot of daily posts, a lot of funny throwbacks. This one of my husband and I. Yeah, just a lot more personal stuff on here. Make sure to head on over and check me out at MakeupMenaree on Instagram.